That reminds me of the incidents of Abu Darda. Once there was a Jew, and there was a new Muslim. While he was building his house, while he was building the boundary of his house, his neighbor's tree was coming in between. So he could not build the boundary. So the Prophet told the neighbor that, give this tree to him, I will give you a tree in Jannah. He said no. He refused. So Abu Darda heard of this, and Abu Darda had the biggest garden of dates in Medina. The biggest and the best garden of dates in Medina. When he heard this, he went to the Prophet and told him that if I am able to get that tree, will I get that tree in Jannah? The Prophet said yes. Getting a tree in Jannah means Abu Darda will also go to Jannah. So Abu Darda goes to that man. He said, do you know who I am? He said, no. He said, I am Abu Darda.